Welcome back to day 2 of what we ate in a day from the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. This all raw bundle is a one-of-a-kind collaboration of raw food experts from around the world, each contributing their unique flavor and creativity. It's really more than just a collection of books. It's an opportunity to awaken your taste buds, learn new information, get re-inspired, and nourish your body with the most vibrant and delicious raw food recipes out there. Keep watching if you want to see what day 2 looked like. Now let's get into the video. So all good things happen with a plan, and today is no different. So what we did the day before today's meals is we prepped up these wraps. Now these wraps you can find in Lissa's brand new hand salads book, and this book is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is definitely going to be a game changer for us. So we're using these silicone wraps or these silicone trays. Now what's cool is they have a lip on them, so it's really easy to fill them up right up to the very top of that lip, and they just end up being absolutely perfect thickness and perfect consistency because they're the same throughout the entire tray, right? So we just pop these in the dehydrator, and these are going to go overnight. Now the next morning we had a smoothie. This was the Vampire Cayenne smoothie from Alana Jordan's book, Smoothies and Spice and Everything Nice. Super delicious, super quick and easy to make. Smoothies are great, and I feel that more people should be having smoothies to start their day off with. It's a great way to kick off the day. So getting ready for our lunch, which we have the wraps that we're going to be wrapping these up with in the dehydrator, we started to make the mixture. Now this is Lissa's quiche recipe. This is also in her hand salads book. Now this mixture we poured in is actually made from a coconut, young coconut. So that's the base of it with just a bunch of veggies. And we just mix that in really, really well. And this is going to actually be the patties. We're going to form these into patties on a dehydrator sheet. And what's nice is using an ice cream scooper is you can portion out the size of portion, right? So it's just perfect. So we just put these on the sheet. Now 9 fit really well for this size of scooper on a sheet, and then you just smooth them out. There's this spatula. This spatula is so handy. This is definitely something you want to get if you want to get the wrap book and start making those wraps. Though that spatula is so handy. So basically we just flatten them out. And then once they're all flattened out nice and even, we can put these in the dehydrator, and these will go for anywhere from, I don't know, about 4 to 5 hours, right? So you do these things first thing in the morning. Now also the same prep, we're going to be making the, from Lana's book, her next level pasta book. Now I don't want to mess this name up. I'm going to try my best. I feel that it's called the penne al arrabbiata. Penne al arrabbiata. I believe so. So don't quote me on that. I might be wrong. But either way, this is a little bit of prep. It's about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes to blend up the stuff, and then another 5 or 10 minutes most to smooth them out on the trays. And once these are smoothed out, these will also go in the dehydrator until dinner time, right? So this is really a great way to go about your day. It's just to make the plan of what you're going to have, and you know exactly what you have to do. And then these just sit in the dehydrator for, anywhere from 4 to maybe 5 hours. Now, all of these recipes can be found in the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle, which is going on right now. $50 for this bundle. You get over $1,800 worth of products, and every recipe is amazing. So now what we have going on right here, this is from Lissa's mom's book, My Gentle Kitchen, and today is actually my birthday. Not the day of the release of this video, but the day of what we were eating. And so she was making this carrot cake because she knows carrot cake is one of my favorite cakes. And I didn't actually know she was making this. She kind of was doing this in between when I was doing some other things. And so I didn't even know she was making this. But this recipe is amazing. A lot of the recipes that are in Lissa's mom's book are really fabulous. We had a jicama slaw from her book, And that is actually going to be for dinner tonight, and that's going to be a new staple. So now what we're doing is we're cutting up some microgreens. Now, one thing that's really cool about growing microgreens at home is you have fresh food that you're growing at home that you can just add to your meals. Very simple and super delicious, nutrient dense, great things to add to your different meals. So we cut up some of those. Now these quiche patties, as you can see, they're right there. They're ready to go. Got our fresh microgreens, fresh greens that we harvested off our farm stand. We got the sunchokes that look like potatoes right there. Now we're gonna make our wraps, our lunch wraps. So what we'll do is we'll start off by cutting some heirloom tomatoes. These tomatoes are delicious. Those of you who have heirlooms or have had heirlooms know how amazing they are. And we're just gonna lay everything out and get ready to wrap. And just look at this beautiful spread. Now these wraps are really amazing. This is a really fantastic book for you to get. There's cheese, fermented cheese recipes in there. We're spreading a little bit of cheese on the wrap, and then we're just gonna fill it up with all the fixins. Now she calls the book hand salads because you're basically stuffing it full of all kinds of stuff that you could possibly throw on a salad, but just in a wrap. Throwing on those quiche patties, some red onion, so delicious. I'm getting hungry just watching this myself. So then we also have here the sunchokes. And those sunchokes are so delicious. Good food for your microbiome. Got our microgreens on there. Now we're just gonna roll this up. Look at these wraps. This is definitely a game changer in a lot of ways. Just having something like this to eat is just so much fun. And I mean, who doesn't like holding a wrap and just eating it? Oh my gosh, look at those sunchokes. Delicious. All right, so now we're ready to make up dinner. These have been in, it's after lunch, and these penne noodles have been in the dehydrator. They're ready to go. So what the recipe calls for is just a little tahini, just to smooth on there and get them to stick, and then just cut them at an angle with some scissors. So Lissa's cutting these up right here, and I'm getting the sauce ready. And these are really fun just to be able to have something different. This is just another one of the really amazing contributions to this Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. Look at all the different things that you can make with the recipes. So we're putting the sauce on the noodles. Just gonna toss these in. Like I said, Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle, this is a great way to get inspired and just make some new stuff that you're not necessarily used to eating, right? And eating a raw vegan diet can be easy and enjoyable with the right recipes and meal ideas, right? And really, I just wanted to showcase and share like what we're eating, in a day from the Raw Vegan Bundle, the recipes that we're finding in the Raw Vegan Bundle, just showcasing the variety. Like, this is just an amazing bundle. And look at this. This is a really creative recipe. With a little planning, something like this does not take very long to make. Now look at that. There's that slaw from Lissa's mom's book that's also in the bundle, My Gentle Kitchen. That is going to be a summer staple, I tell you what. Oh my gosh. These pasta noodles were so delicious. Absolutely delicious. Now this carrot cake recipe is from Lissa's mom's book, My Gentle Kitchen, and I didn't even know this was coming.
Happy birthday to you.
Aww.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nate. Happy birthday to you.
What is it? Now, for those of you who have cats, you know that when they're wanting a little lovin's, you got to give them that lovin's. And it's very rare for Raja just to hang out in my arms like this, so I couldn't stop petting him. Even though I had this delicious carrot cake being served to me, I just could not give Raja up. Whose recipe is that?
My mama's.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
It's for you.
Just look at him. He was chilling.
Aww. There you
Carrot
go.
cake.
Carrot cake.
Wow, look at that. That looks incredible. Oh my gosh. Let's get some pictures.
Yes, yes, pictures.
Oh my gosh. If you're looking for inspiration and healthy, tasty meals on a raw vegan diet, this bundle is definitely for you. I'm just sharing a few of these recipes and meal ideas from this raw vegan bundle just to give you a glimpse into the delicious and nutritious meals we enjoy every day. I mean, just look at this. Raw vegan carrot cake. You can't go wrong. Oh my gosh.
Yes, have the first bite. Look at that.
Wow. Some good flavors in there. Is there oranges in there or something?
Yeah. Orange zest. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Mmm. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Well, there it was. I hope you enjoyed day 2 of me sharing what we ate in a day while enjoying these delicious and healthy recipes from the Raw Vegan Bundle. From nutrient-packed smoothies to satisfying salads and healthy entrees, these meals are designed to nourish and energize our bodies while providing plenty of flavor and variety. So be sure to grab that before it is gone, and we will see you on day 3. Love you.